Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start now by connecting your phone with a known good USB cable to the PC. You want a solid physical link. You must unlock the phone, and if tethering option is hidden, enable developer options and USB debugging so the OS exposes tethering. Once done, tap the USB mode notification and choose the correct mode, USB tethering or file transfer, because the wrong mode keeps the network interface from appearing on the computer. Next, make sure your computer recognizes the phone as a network device. Open Device Manager and inspect portable devices and network adapters. If you see a yellow icon, update or uninstall the driver and then scan for hardware changes. This forces Windows to reinstall the correct driver. Once drivers look healthy, go to Network Connections and enable the new adapter, or use ipconfig/release, followed by ipconfig/renew to reinitialize the IP settings so the tethered connection acquires an address. To finish, restart both devices and replug into a different USB port to rule out hardware quirks. Make sure phone mobile data is on, and, if necessary, toggle airplane mode briefly to reset radios. If the adapter still doesn't appear, inspect the phone's USB configuration and select RNDIS or USB tethering profile. This is often the missing piece. If nothing changes, try a different cable or computer. That single troubleshooting step usually isolates whether the phone or PC is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.